people? How you doing this morning? Well, I don't care when you watching this video. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, I decided to show y'all my job today. You know, for those that don't know, I drive trucks. I drive concrete trucks. I'll show you my truck. Tonight, is she running? This is my baby. I do my pre-trip. This video is long overdue because I be waiting for like the perfect time to do stuff, but my cousin always tell me, shout out to Kitty, she always tell me, she'll say, there's no perfect time. Just go, just do it. Just do it, just do it, just do it. So I gotta just do it, man. Long overdue, but I'm doing this for y'all. You feel me? I gotta do it for y'all, you feel me? So, let's go, baby. I'm finna show y'all. I'm gonna take y'all on a trip to do a load with me. Y'all gonna do a load with me, you know what I'm saying? And see what I do throughout the week, you know? Yeah. I be rocking by myself all day, every day. So yeah, like driving concrete trucks, like with this company that I work for, we drive like, we work. We be at work from 12 to 15 hours. You know what I'm saying? Like, we really eat up the clock for real. So I try to max out every week. In the winter times it kind of slow, but when it's hot outside, we'll be bumping and jumping, baby. We'll be bumping and jumping. You feel me? I try to max it out as much as we can. We can't do certain things because of DOT rules and regulations. And we gotta stay out of their rules and regulations so we keep our license. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, John, so since I'm all logged in, I'm ready to go. Just waiting on them to call my number. I'm gonna ride around to the front of the plant and let y'all see the plant. Alright, so here we go. Right now, y'all can see he's about to get loaded. So at the top, right there, there's a bunch of sand and rock and all kinds of like chemicals and all that coming down. You know what I'm saying? So let me clean that for y'all real quick. Hold on. Let's try that. The mirror kind of dirty. I need to clean it. But anyway, so you just gotta. So basically, just gotta line that up right there, to where I can get all my sand, all my rock, all that to come in there to get inside the big thing, which is called a drum. The thing that spins on the concrete truck is called a drum. So you gotta make sure all that comes down into there. I'll show y'all how I do it. But yeah, I didn't know like, to make concrete, you mix a bunch of sand, rock, different type of rocks, man. Like, there's all different types of concrete mixes, you know. So I didn't know that. So I learned something being at this job, you know what I'm saying? Like, I learned a whole lot. So yeah. Yep. I learned a lot, and I just sit back and observe and watch and see how everything goes. Yeah, basically, y'all get the picture. Hey, I don't like doing this. I don't like the hours, to be honest. Like I said earlier, I just said I learn to deal with it, man. Just learn to deal with it, rock out with it, and everything gonna be alright. It's gonna be fine. It ain't forever, you know what I'm saying? It's just for the time being. Putting everything in place, getting everything in order. Everything gonna be alright. Show y'all what I do next. I just got a ticket, so that's where the concrete is going to. That's the road and all that. It's easy. It's real easy. Whenever I want to find out where I'm going, I just hit there. And it come up on the map and it takes me directly to it. Take me directly to where I need to drop off the concrete, which is about 11 minutes away. Real easy, real simple, real simple, real simple. Now I just wait on them to call my number, which is probably in 5, 4, 3, 2. 195. There I go. About to get loaded. About to get loaded. So I'm driving up on it right now. What's up to see? I'm in there perfectly. I'm in there perfectly. So now all I gotta do is speed it up. Use this right here. Speed it up. Now I'm about to get loaded. My truck kinda dirty. Alright. Put the water in the water tank. Got it in there perfect. There's concrete, water, rocks, all that going in there right now. Water tank and it got full. So now I gotta get a good mix. We're gonna spray the truck down. Okay. Okay, we'll get my paperwork. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get my paperwork. So, that being said, it's time to take off. I got an 11-minute drive. Let me show y'all what it looks like out here. what it look like out here. It's dark. Boy. So I just gotta make do. I just gotta make do. Just get through the day. Nothing but darkness, man. Yeah, man. We're getting it in. Alright, y'all. So I made it to the job. And we're building a Samsung right now, so it's a whole lot going on. And they be real strict. They be real strict about a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna do what I can for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Just bear with me. Just stay with me. We're finna get right, baby. Let's rock, y'all. So I made it to the job site, and this is what we got. It's a real strict job site, and now I gotta wear my helmet and my safety glasses. They're kind of dirty. Put them on still. And I gotta grab my gloves. You know what I'm saying? That's what we got, baby. Alright, y'all. So like I said, it's a whole lot going on out here. What's up, Alfredo? How you doing, my friend? You alright? Yes, sir. How you doing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Time to get up and come over here, but once you're over here, fuck it. You gotta do what you have to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, get on the inside.
Alright, y'all. So, y'all got to see, you know what I'm saying? Like, can you get this way? Y'all got to see, basically, all I did was pull up to the pump, drop off my load, so I was empty. Now, I'm headed to the washout, and the washout is literally what it says it is. It's a washout. So I gotta wash off my truck so I can get it clean so I can drive on the road again. Cause I can't drive on the road with dripping concrete. You feel me? So we headed to the washout. Whoop whoop. Oh, boom. So, I'm at the washout. We finna range down my truck. I'm finna get this show back on the road, baby. I don't like wearing this hat. I look stupid sometimes. But it is what it is. And I don't like wearing these. But I gotta wear them because one time I had concrete splash from my face. It got in my eye. You know? And I ain't like that feeling. And I ain't no telling unless it was concrete. I don't know if it's good for my eyes or not. Well, I know it ain't good for my eyes, dude. But I don't want none of that stuff in my eyes. You feel me? So, for the move this shoot right here, and move it on down. I got control of it all. Move it down until basically I'm finna rinse it off. You feel me? I gotta climb on top. I got a ladder. Gotta climb on top, spread down. Oh. Alright, so y'all see all that behind me? That's a whole lot going on back there. Alright, so we basically did everything. I got loaded. I showed you where I dropped off my load. Now we're headed back to the plant, pick up another load. Got like 11-minute drive back. Real simple, real easy, you know what I'm saying? Like, ain't nothing hard about it. All we doing is pressing buttons all day, nothing hard. But I'm gonna tell you something. This job is not for the weak. I tell you that. I promise you that. Not for people not for family people. You know what I'm saying? Men and women. Because men and women can do the job. It's just not for them because, like I said earlier, my schedule changed literally every day. Literally, like one night I come in at 12:30. Next night I come in at 2 o'clock. And now after that, I come in at 11:30. Now after that, I might come in at 5. I might come in at 6. You never know. With that being said, you never know what your schedule is, so you're gonna be always thrown off if you're a family person. Say if you got kids or whatever, they got events and stuff you gotta go to. Like, that's tough, man. It's real tough. It get real tough out here, man. Like, the schedule can be crazy. You feel me? But I don't have kids and I don't have a wife, so I get some leeway, you know what I'm saying? Like, I do what I want to do, you know? So, until then, I can't even say that. But, anyway, shit, I can't even see out there. But, until then, I can't even say that again. But I'm out here just doing my thing, man. It's a way to make me some money, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. The job definitely ain't for the weak, I can tell you that much. Tell you that much. Especially if you're not an early morning person, this job ain't for you, baby. Like, so I drive concrete trucks. I got my class A, but I chose to drive class B. But it is what it is. Like, I'm gonna get to my A. That's the goal anyway. I'll be alright. So I did a load for y'all at nighttime. I'm gonna show y'all.